Starting that camera. Alright, so today is today is that date time right there, okay? And I already made a really long, somewhat boring video to other people about the live on Facebook. Where is it? There it is, live on Facebook with that cell phone camera, okay? Anyway, let me put this down on the floor. I wave the camera around for you, but alright, so now that is this on the floor? That's on the floor, great. Okay, so here we go. Let me just get to this here. Alright, and the Facebook video is privy to everything else, but you and YouTube are not. But so here's this thing. I've already hopefully taken pictures of this, but I just want to get into this. I bought this back in December of 2016, and shows it pretty well. Right? Did they even unplug it? They didn't even unplug it. Can you believe this? They didn't even unplug it. It's still plugged in. I hope it's not jammed off or whatever. Gosh darn it. Alright. So just, yeah, they packaged it with the plug still plugged in. Can you see that? Get it all then wrapped here. Yeah. There's that layer. And we got this layer. Can you believe that? They wrapped it with the plug still plugged in. Unbelievable. Okay. Some people. Alright. I'll do this for the YouTube people. Hopefully you can see it, but there it is. Looks like that. Okay. Looks like this. The back, it's got a handle. Got a complete antenna. Okay. And it, let's see here. Has auxiliary in. So can you see that auxiliary in there? Auxiliary in right here. Okay. Microphone, an earphone jack, and then remote sound monitor, high, low, and off. So remote sound monitor, high, low, and off. Okay. And you probably can't see that as well, but oh well. Take pictures of it later. And it's got your DCN, ACN on this. Wait, DCN, ACN. I'll pull that out. It's a standard. Well, this came with a keyhole plug. Alright, keyhole plug. Alright. And let's just get my power cord. So make sure the volume is down. Volume down, tone halfway. It's on radio. Let's turn it to off. Okay. There. Alright. Here we go. Let's see. Put it to radio. Let's put it, well, it's on shortwave only. Oh, this doesn't have FM. Well, that's weird. Okay.
For the rental option, of course.
Non-profit.
Hey, if you're too...
Right at the... They don't want to purposely overeat, but just to keep their portion sizes reasonable, take the coordinate, and just that... Of course, people...
Well, that's... Alright, so put it in... Now let's see if the tape player works. Alright, so... Alright, so bring it up here for this camera. Alright, there we go. So, good. Let me open the door. Eject. Okay, so that's turning with good torque. And that's turning with okay. Play. Play is turning with good torque. So let's take a tape, which I brought here, which is 400 records. Okay, 400 records. Alright, so put that in, hit. Okay, so that separate button for eject. Flip it over, play it a bit more. Tone works. That's pretty bad off like that, but so it just needs to be taken apart, cleaned, get all the dust out of these grooves. You know, that means a bath. And clean the heads and clean the rest of it here. It just doesn't have FM. No frequency modulation. It just has medium wave, shortwave, shortwave 2. Okay, has sleep, which means that you use the tape as a timer. Has, you know, sleepy. So if you put it in sleep, if you, let's see, I'll do it like this. All right, put it in sleep. Okay, and you hit. It's on medium wave, so.
You'll want to bookmark.
Here, wait. Well, if you're playing,
timandfigure.com.
you're playing the tape, all right. You're playing the tape, and when you turn, when the tape comes at the end, the auto stop kicks in and hit stops. That's how sleep works. Okay, so hopefully you understand how that works. I thought it had. Oh, and this has world voltage. Wow, look at that. It's got world voltage right here. So that, and then takes 4D batteries in the back. It's just that. So this is for somebody who wants to play the cassettes in a portable idea with only 4D batteries. Okay, so it'll be good for that. If you listen to the AM station, that'd be great. But if you listen to shortwave, that's fantastic for you, but not very good for me because I don't listen to shortwave. I don't really listen to the radio that much anyway. I just play my own tapes. So I'll give this a good thorough cleaning. Go through the knobs and switches and such, and basically clean the whole thing. And I'm gonna move it along. That is, I'll put it for sale. Thanks, good day, hope you enjoyed watching. I'll take a better picture of this with that camera and good day the rest of you here. Okay, so, but it's a, let's see here. It's a national Panasonic, okay? It's a national Panasonic 3-band radio cassette recorder, number 543, okay? And you didn't see that. It's number 543, National Panasonic, like that. Okay, all right. Had too much fun. All right, so, okay, now let's just see what we did here. All right, so, all right. Well, just have to say, wait, say goodbye to that camera. All right, so hit finish. Bye bye. There we go. I want to finish. Ending live video. Okay. And upload in HD.
Here, we're live. All
and
right,
share.
so today is
Fine. Okay. So, and this is what, 8 minutes? Okay. So again, 8 minutes. I've got, you know, these here. There's that for sale. These other boxes I haven't gotten to undoing. I have these there. I'm not going to sit here and rattle off like I did in the Facebook, but I did rattle off all these radios in Facebook. That's been sold. That's been sold. These I'm going to work on. And then, oh gosh, so many radios here to work on. So many things to do. Just have the rest of today to finish off that little radio. And this radio here that I uploaded yesterday, or yeah. So I want to clean that one, rebuild this one, and move them along. Okay, and no, it's not for sale. There it is. Okay, so it's been too much fun. Good day, bye bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go fix some radios. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.